Today I will show you a new type of light frame painting. The new one will be more practical. Before you turn on the light, it can be used as a mirror. When you turn on the light, it becomes a light frame painting. It can also be used as a night light. And this new light frame painting are easier to make. It no longer requires any drawings. Just print out the pattern you want to make. And the patterns can be changed at will. So just choosing the right picture, it would be a great gift for a friend of any age. Let me show you the colors that go with the different patterns. If you already have this old light painting in your hands, only need one accessory. It can then be upgraded from the old model to this new one. This video will show you how to make, or how to upgrade. There are 4 materials need to be prepared: a picture frame, a light strip, a piece of paper, and a half lens. These parts are easy to buy. Firstly, print the photo. Find a picture that you like. Print it out on the paper. Print it out, that's the first step. Next, paste the light strip. Sticky light tape is the same as the old light painting. Attach the light strip to the back panel of this picture frame. This strip comes with adhesive backing. Just paste it like this. The battery can be glued to the side of the bracket. Just don't interfere with this bracket. The final step is assembly. First of all, pull out all the original contents of the frame. For the first layer, we'll put in our half lens. On the second layer, put the photo we just printed. The third layer is the acrylic sheet. That comes with the frame. The fourth layer puts the edge strips on it. For the last layer, just put the cover on him. A new light painting and we're done. As you can see, the whole process is actually very simple. So it's also highly recommended to try. The first few were printed on paper. The overall effect is good. But get closer and you'll realize there's a very large number of problems. So I tried using a different paper to print on. From left to right, there are ACE paper, coated paper, and PP paper. So everyone can be based on the effect. Choose a paper that suits you. When you buy a semi-lens, you will find that there are 2 kinds. One is acrylic and the other is glass. The surface of the glass will be flatter, and it doesn't scratch easily. Acrylic like this won't get very scratched up after a few days of use. From left to right, there are 6 inches, 7 inches, and 8 inches. I would recommend the 7 and 8 inches, because 6 inches is a little small for a mirror. This upgrade of the old light painting is easier. Just add a half lens and you're done. Take out all the original stuff from the old light painting. The first layer is this half lens. The second layer puts the original core of the light painting into it. The third layer goes into this thin piece of acrylic. The fourth layer is to press the 4 edge strips on it. And the last layer is to cover the light strip. So the upgrade is complete. The process is very simple. Whether you use ACE paper cores or these acrylic board cores, it's all the same. If you are printing on ACE paper, when the light is on there may be more streaks. Want to achieve better results? You can change the paper. The effect is to refer to the previous paper selection.